Welcome back to Cooking with Cass. Today we're making some refreshing halal chicken tacos. We're going to start by whipping up a little crema. In a food processor, we'll place 1.5 tablespoons of cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, and 1 cup of crema. Then we'll process that until smooth. If you'd like some more flavor, try adding in 1 avocado. For now, we'll call this good and pop it into the fridge. Next, we'll prep a mango salsa by finely dicing a red onion using the classic onion dicing method. If that's new to you, simply place several cuts vertically through the top of the onion. I made about 12 on mine. Then rotate your onion and place a few cuts horizontally. After that, give it a few more vertical chops and you should end up with a very quick and rough dice. Put that into a medium-sized bowl, then we'll add a single large clove of crushed garlic. I finely diced the jalapenos because I prefer the heat to be distributed across the whole of the salsa, but if you like big chunks, make them bigger. The choice is yours. Then I'll add some more color to our salsa with 1 red bell pepper. Chop off the top, slice off the edges, then we'll dice that up and toss it in with our other veggies. Then we move on to the titular ingredient of our salsa, the mango. Place some cuts while the fruit is still attached to the skin in a crisscross pattern. Then push up on the center of the skin to pop the fruit out a bit. This makes it a lot easier to remove the fruit from the skin. Once that's out, give it another rough chop to make the pieces a little smaller, then repeat with the remaining mango. Once that's all prepped, toss it in with our other salsa ingredients. Now we'll roughly massage a lime to get the juices flowing easily. Slice it in half and crush the juice into the salsa. I had juice all over my hands, so to prevent any stickiness, I called in a battle buddy to help out with some salt and pepper to taste. Make sure to taste it after you mix it to see if the salt and pepper is to your liking. If not, go back and add a little bit more. Now we'll prep some delicious halal chicken thighs from the link in the description. Start by removing some bits of fat and slicing these into strips. Put those in a mixing bowl, then we'll get a seasoning prepped. Start by covering the chicken with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of taco seasoning. I've had people tell me tacos are better with soy sauce, so I thought I'd try it for this recipe, but I must say the soy sauce ended up muting the taco seasoning a lot. If I made this again, I'd double or triple the taco seasoning and probably just leave the soy sauce out entirely. Now we'll fry that up in a pan until the chicken is fully cooked. This took me about 10 minutes or so. The piece de resistance, taco time. We're going to go with a slightly healthier, low-carb, soft-shell taco. Top that with our seasoned chicken, a hearty scoop or 2 of our mango salsa, a drizzle of our crema sauce, and I was feeling fancy, so I finished my taco with a little cotija cheese and some cilantro. I hope you enjoyed these tacos as much as we did, and we'll see you next time for another tasty halal recipe.